Morning 9th class. Today we are moving to exercise 1.6 page number 28. Okay, and today we are solving question number 1 by using inversion method. Okay, in question number 1 part 1 we have a equation 2x minus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Now we convert this equation into matrix form. 2 minus 2, 3, 2, x, y equal to 4 and 6. This is matrix form of this equation. Okay, now for our convenient we put the name of this matrix. This means this is name A, this is X and this is B. Okay, now we have A X equal to B. Okay, now we move A into other sides, then we have A into inverse form. Okay, now we find the value of A inverse. Okay, first of all we know the A inverse, the formula of A inverse is adjoint A over A determinant. If we find the value of A inverse, then we take the determinant first, because we find the matrix is a singular or non-singular. Okay, now we take determinant 2, minus 2, 3 and 2. The value of A determinant is 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, 4 minus 6, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. This is the value of A determinant. Okay, now we take adjoint of A matrix. The adjoint of A matrix is 2, 2 minus 3, 2. The adjoints, then we take adjoint, we change the entries of diagonal 2 and 2 and we change the sign of non-diagonal. That's why minus 2 change into plus 2 and 3 into minus 3. Okay, now we put this value into A inverse. The A inverse is adjoint A over A determinant. Now we have the value of adjoint A. What is the value of adjoint A? 2, 2 minus 3 and 2. And what is the value of A determinant? This is 10. Okay, now we A inverse write into this form. This is also A inverse. Now put this value of in this equation. We have x is equal to xy, A inverse 1 over 10, 2, 2, minus 3, 2, and B is 4 and 6. Okay. Now we multiply both these matrix. This is the method, the multiplication method of both matrix. 1 over 10, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6, because tail multiply by tail and head multiply into head. That's why 2 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 6. And same as it is minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now in this next step, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, minus 3 multiplied by 4 is minus 12, and 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Okay. Now the value of x and y is 8 plus 2 is 20, minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So 20 multiplied by 1 over 10 and 0 multiplied by 1 over 10, because these 10 multiply in this value and in this value. We cut this value, 10 over 10, 2 is equal to 2, and 0 multiplied by 1 over 10 is 0. 2 and 0 is the result. Now x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. This is the inversion method to solving the simultaneous equation. Okay. Now class, do the homework in question number 1 and you do all the parts of question number 1. Okay class. Allah Hafiz.